happy birthday Nyankopon emfa nkwa ahode wom sika ne bibia ka ho enommo ebusia yedi enkomo no na nkomo ayeba bedi yellow and orange pharmacy komo ne yeba bedi na unim se de bia meka se enkomo efa oba ahosiesie ho ya ne hia me pa sanse oba wo ba yo no be wie ya just wo hemfie ho do no wasiesie ho no ma ye kama ho ya konna na tena se a asem no wodi a wadi no wadi ni yi enti ye ni eho enkomo tew opanyini maache
ye ni
na mbomboko de
nyame Adom boko
de Nyankopon ase edro we de haye kwa ho mo se edro be ya
level 2 feminine intimate wash
level 2 feminine intimate wash on say de gomo ne me de no me se minima dukro enti edro we de ade na ye
okay enti edro we ye edro I had to say enye edro ye di enye mfa nhye enum
okay
na for ba bia we si so ho asiesie because just like how we used to sanitize our own sound and the paper on sound ye we draw ma bibia into a draw way and a DCC if I so bad BCC no especially in ase seven ase so yeah that's no and no the main the purpose
okay na yam fancy enum ni enum se de ye yase ye no minim se wo pharmacy sahodo obi kope bi ato say na ye didi juma
okay
how do we use it
so feminine wash no the usage is very simple. Just like how we can initially say we sanitize our other hands and we for over bath house before and after that is and sana ube bunsa. You can use it before ube bunsa and then after ube bunsa so but during the time ube bunsa there you use
okay
now the usage is very simple ube tibie gunsem so the products no enu
oh, okay.
Into what to go in somewhere. Unlike other ones, the ones I want to share, the because of good cutting.
Never. I me no.
Wait here, you don't go through that, and you so to go in somewhere. Then you just smell at the private part.
Okay.
There's a what smell or neatly. Then what can be 10 minutes be. Then after that, wouldn't you a rinsey.
Okay.
Thoroughly.
There's a way the infirm was I was so fancy what nama didn't check.
Dabi.
Now, because I see our pH system. And once I said what the paper was the audio who we are now in so.
Yes.
Okay.
Then you just clear. Now, we use swap. One good advantage is we use swap. Maybe to say dryness. It being told.
So when the baby me share now why just say and no just a kwabran on lano and say no unye bi
dabi also any form of bacteria abia also you use washrooms and yet compulsory say bia obeye and your fault honestly sometimes things like this are your fault
it say mo yesora homachi no numu adwuma mu betena ha just say bia 2 3 ya be ko washroom ye do so nso na ye wo ha ti why oba nko na say we say bi da bag you
thank you okay we kranka uni sem na kranka we ye and the uni soap crap we we are uni say we
go sorted when you are kra na use we ya wa na okro no
yes it's you know dryness itchiness so I say beke cow nesanya man we use what it prevents that bibi to say irritation discomfort in general you side info and I say nipa de over there once we nipa nko dey smell
okay
and in as much as be over to me prevent you know certain circumstances ma enko so we so remove any form of smell any form of odor vaginal odor and as a discharge is beyond this thing prevents it preventing it completely.
Okay.
From you having such a thing.
But you be people say obudin say we after 5 days no be we no. Na sansa egu no.
Yes.
What me you see be?
Yes, please.
Okay.
It's, you know, anything involving is here down there. This is the perfect thing. And also we have found quite a say. Bia we bun say we no pH. We be can pH or say on sasa. And this would help stabilize it.
Okay.
I better bringing it back to the exact pH. Here it was the and yes bia infection when but area we say we and pH na sasa into ama these kind of things aba into we no use so now correct pH no one aba back to its right pH system na say why you okay as em ko ya say they can say AEB yeah
okay into dre obi pe bia to afa hin obenya bi
obi bia to nationwide anywhere at all any pharmaceutical company cosmetic shop obenya bi Mokanshi Drug Lane, any of the shops over there, open dodo so to Baseline Pharmacy, Danny Pharma, Nadia Pharmacy, Nadia Herbal, sorry. And then even open do those way to a yellow and orange. Ewa mokum, ubenye bi wo ho too. And there we are. And the price is very good. Internet say just contact us, ubenye bi. Okay. Wholesaler bi aso oma and a pharmacy shop so ubenye bi wo ho. Obi
be rare pharmacy. Na wo pe level 2. Ye man foforo. Obeka se wo mpe. E die enti na biko nro na bu. De di wie ase ye die edoso. Why? Die enti na was me call for level 2.
So this is the part you see the udiko mu no it determines a lot.
Okay.
Now, your products be from level 2 post pill no po that can be attested by a lot of people say good. It's just when you say yeah post pill near go into this section. 1, that alone is a standard. 2, products now we use no. See na make no obadi and can say nyama be like putting things down there. And that thing every time ebo bian hu cause who go use one particular chemical be a woman encodim wow.
Baby I see na fi.
Yes.
I didn't say hu here.
Yes. So yeah, then one unique thing they say yeah fan shares yeah the whole. 2, compositions na woman no healthy and I say FDA go through and say yes your compositions are solid. Unkonya any side effects and I say by default no a draw who you swa one kasa unama unya confidence. Oh yes, because a draw men ko jina be bin ko kasa kotowe Abraham ni say be man me problem because we are do show as unim obi dia do share inside case
we ko hade be china sa wa na yira o hwe hu be fry
but we ja use we are wa ho na ja once a synthetic there ezo nye bibia say ka ho it's no once a synthetic you need to be able to use it and then clean it after and it's serving the purpose. But then obi
say what's a minute be we say di wo ho na free ho.
Yes.
Ni say shower permanently for hours.
Into the year then say you designing and yes ya ma won fa bibi nko hye ho na fi the whole day o de nenam o sweat kaka o kodun so na a whole lot we use the smell ho we o the go nsem o the smell ho we after a few minutes wow ho any issue you are good to go.
Yen hwe number be no bi pebie to a obefrem.
Yes, to pebie to a your number is 054 22 08 000 the 30 054 22 08 000.
Okay. 054 22 08 000.
Yes.
Okay. Na fans obi a pharmacy and obi a hospital or pedodo say to ambema ni bi.
Patchwine.
Muye ni nyina.
Of course. In terms of okoye wholesalers obenye bi etu.
Okay.
Ofre ya so yellow and orange so a ewa mokom who to me buy a ho. Ofre so why not? Yeah, say once our friend any part of Ghana you be deliver more.
Okay.
So you just need to call us quantity be out here be out there free the into more. And I see them kind of Baseline Pharmacy, Danny Pharma, Nadia Herbal, any cosmetic shop or kind of drug lane shop. Who they will do say any pani ni be na asa.
Okay.
It's anywhere in any of the kind of drug lane shops na so ubenye bi wo ho.
Okay, obi wa bruchin so na wo pebia.
Yeah, be ship am pepe.
Wow.
You be see DHL na akọ.
Wow. Wow. And sameti anu we say mu say rubber chechire no. Ko say na say nkrofo ye fake nyama. Me hu say we yi free mu no ye de rubber.
Yes.
Achechire hu nyina na chire say ampa ye kama.
Yes.
Okay, ye da say. Ye da say pa say ne wa bre edu papa say abusia na say dre eye level 2 feminine wash ya wo mo de aba free yellow and orange pharmacy na 0542 208000 numbers no so na good screen so no ma ba na ntroma na afei tobi na fadi djuma eso na mejina na ne metina se nkomo twetwe ye wo ho no mo no bedi ni nyina asi kai se wo hia me a eya frame anoche wa ba ajwa se wa me ko edi na se o ma hene kwabna sante betina se man pense mu atwa so bedwam so ni me moachi